Hello friends, welcome to Unix interview question series by Knowledge Powerhouse. Let's go on to the next question. How will you check if a remote host is still alive? So normally in these days when we are working on a network in a cluster of servers, there's a need to check whether the host to which we are trying to connect is it still alive or not. Let's see how will we do it. So in this case, we can use one of the networking commands in Unix. This command we discussed earlier also, it is called ping command. With ping command, we can ping a remote host and see whether the remote host is still active or not. So what happens is that ping utility, this is a command which has a process behind. So this command will send a packets on an IP network, internet protocol network, which is the one we are using nowadays, IP, TCP IP. In this, there is a protocol called ICMP. With this protocol, a packet is sent. Once the packet goes from source to destination and comes back, then the ping will record the time, that in how much time the packet came back. So we can also specify the number of packets that we want to send so that we can collect the statistics over the time to confirm the result that the server remote host is always up or not. Like if you are sending in 10 times in a minute and only 9 times you get it, you can say that yeah, remote host was not active 10% of the time. So that way we can run the ping command for this purpose. So like in this example, we are doing ping www.google.com. So this is going and then coming back. It's going from this IP address and it's coming back. So after every some interval, we are getting going the packet is going and we are getting the time in which the packet comes back. So that is a use of ping command, that over the time we are seeing that this google.com is up. Then the other option that we can do is that we can use the telnet to connect to the remote host and check what is the status of the remote host. So that is also another option. If you have access to telnet, you can use this to check the host is alive or not. Then comes the question, what is the difference between telnet and SSH commands? So these are the two different utilities that we use to connect to a remote host. So what is the difference between these two? Telnet is a networking protocol and generally we use it to connect and communicate with a remote host. And in this protocol, data as well as password are sent in clear text. So telnet is like open, like there's no encryption or anything like that. So that is a simple thing. SSH is also a networking protocol, but in SSH we use the secure shell. So in secure shell is used to communicate with the remote host. Secure shell means we are sending the data in encrypted format. So with encryption, if anybody else, they can snoop into our communication, they can listen to our communication, but still they cannot make out anything because the data is encrypted. Only the client and the server, like two parties, they know how to decrypt it. So that's why SSH is considered more secure than the telnet. So around the industry, SSH is the most prevalent thing nowadays compared to telnet.